Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to make a tassel. All you need is a piece of vinyl and a half-inch swivel hook. Mark the top of your 5-inch square piece, 3/4 inch from the top, and draw a horizontal line. Then you draw a vertical line on one side at 1/2 inch in from the edge. From the bottom of that half-inch piece, you will mark 1¼ inch and draw a horizontal line. Then you continue to draw vertical lines at 1/8 of an inch all across your material. After you've completed that, you will now cut those 1/8. Cut those lines to make your tassel. Start by cutting the 1/2 inch line first up to the 3/4 inch mark, and then you will cut off the 1¼ inch from the bottom of that. Now you proceed to cut your 1/8 lines all across the vinyl. After you've done that, you will install your 1/2 inch swivel hook. Be careful when cutting your 1/8 strips because these are very thin, so you need to take your time because you want very straight lines and for your lines to be smooth. To make sure of that, you can use a very sharp scissors, or you can use your rotary cutter if you have one. I choose the scissors because I think this is easier and it's doing a pretty good job for me. So you make sure and keep snipping away until you get to the end of your vinyl piece. Place your glue about 1 inch down on a 1/2 inch section, and this is the area where you're going to place your swivel hook. Now put the 1/2 inch piece through your swivel hook as shown in the video and fold to the 3/4 inch horizontal line. Press down so that it will hold for a few seconds. After that, you're going to fold that piece straight up towards the top edge. The swivel hook should be over the top edge. After that, you can use your glue again and cover the 3/4 inch section, or use your double-sided tape if you have that, if that's what you're using. And then you will roll the swivel hook section over onto the strip section and continue that until you've come to the other end. By that time, you should have your tassel complete. This is a quick and easy tutorial. Anyone can do it, and these tassels are great for putting on your handbag, your clutches, any type of bag you'd like to add an accessory to, and it can also be used as a keychain. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, please like, and if you have something to say, you can leave a comment. Thank you for watching my video, and check out my next video, which will be a very cute two-toned clutch purse. That's coming up next. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.